Top 5 Investment Strategies for Beginners. Welcome to Passive Income and Beyond, your go-to channel for all things passive income. Today, we're diving into the top 5 investment strategies for beginners. Tip number 1, start with a plan. Before you begin investing, it's crucial to have a clear financial plan. Determine your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. This will help you make informed decisions and stay focused on your objectives. Tip number 2, diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to reducing risk and maximizing returns. Spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to create a balanced portfolio. Tip number 3, invest in low-cost index funds. Index funds offer a simple and cost-effective way to invest in a broad range of assets. They typically have lower fees than actively managed funds and can provide solid long-term returns. Tip number 4, stay consistent. Consistency is crucial in investing. Make regular contributions to your investment accounts, regardless of market conditions. This approach, known as dollar cost averaging, can help you build wealth over time and reduce the impact of market volatility. Tip number 5, keep learning. The investment landscape is constantly changing, so it's essential to stay informed. Read books, follow financial news, and consider taking courses to expand your knowledge and improve your investment skills. We hope these strategies help you get started on your investment journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more expert advice. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our latest releases. Comments are welcome. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.